Tires in the back. You may want to invest in a TPMS system, tire pressure monitor system, so you know where the pressure's at on them.
So where does one get something like that?
Amazon is an amazing place.
Okay.
She knows, trust me.
Because air in them, so that screw right there and that screw right there takes this whole hubcap off. Airing them, as fun as it looks like it is currently, is going to be this fun every time. Unless you have the system on. So right here, this is for the outside tire, and then for the inside tire, it's usually all. See it, but
So this tire pressure system, is that something that's easy to install yourself?
it's like put it on a valve cap.
Oh, all right.
I mean, if you're familiar with that.
I'm sure my brother, who lives on the road and just bought a Tiffany from you down in Arizona, can.
You know what I mean? Like, you know how to take the tire cap off.
Oh yeah, no, I can put air in a tire. Yes,
Yeah. So that's all you got to do.
Oh, all right.
You just twist it on, and then you got a little monitor on your dash inside.
Okay.
Pretty simple. I'm like, because putting air in it, it's a pain, especially if you don't know where it's at. I'm like, right now I'm flying a little blind. Because they got one valve stem that faces that way and one that faces this way, usually on the opposite side of the tire.
Mm-hmm.
So this one right here.
What's the one facing this way?
Facing that way.
Oh, that way.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So we have to unscrew.
Yeah, if you take these screws off, it's a lot easier to access, but it's kind of a pain. You have to unscrew, take it off.
But we would do that.
Just put air in. Yeah.